This is your Bible lesson for November 30th. Arise and depart. Micah 2:10. The hour is approaching when the message will come to us, as it comes to all. Arise and go forth from the home in which thou hast dwelt, from the city in which thou hast done thy business, from thy family, from thy friends. Arise and take thy last journey. And what know we of the journey? And what know we of the country to which we are bound? A little we have read thereof, and somewhat has been revealed to us by the Spirit. But how little do we know of the realms of the future? We know that there is a black and stormy river called death. God bids us cross it, promising to be with us. And after death, what cometh? What wonder world will open upon our astonished sight? What scene of glory will be unfolded to our view? No traveler has ever returned to tell. But we know enough of the heavenly land to make us welcome our summons thither with joy and gladness. The journey of death may be dark, but we may go forth on it fearlessly, knowing that God is with us as we walk through the gloomy valley, and therefore we need fear no evil. We shall be departing from all we have known and loved here, but we shall be going to our Father's house, to our Father's home, where Jesus is, to that royal city which hath foundations, whose builder and maker is God. This shall be our last removal, to dwell forever with him we love, in the midst of his people, in the presence of God. Christian, meditate much on heaven. It will help thee to press on and to forget the toil of the way. This vale of tears is but the pathway to the better country. This world of woe is but the stepping stone to a world of bliss. Prepare us, Lord, by grace divine, for thy bright courts on high. Then bid our spirits rise and join the chorus of the sky. All right, in this devotional, Spurgeon is taking time to contemplate death, which is something important that we all do, that we contemplate death, our deaths, because we want to be ready for death, because once death has come, we enter into eternity, and we want to be ready for eternity. He talks about, for the Christian, meditating much on heaven, and that it would help a person to press on. It helps the Christians to press on and forget the toil of this way. So your first question is, how can you meditate on heaven? And then secondly, how does meditating on heaven help you press on in your Christian walk? Thank you.